there. Today I'm reviewing my new bar stools. So these are a really great all-around bar stool that's perfect for your bar, your countertop, your breakfast nook, wherever you need to have a stool at like a regular bar height. So these are a nice sturdy set. They come in a set of two. They do come disassembled, so you have to put them together. Super easy to put both of these together. It only took me anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. It was really simple. Comes with everything that you need to put it together. You don't need any extra tools. And then once it's together, as you can see, it's a really nice lightweight stool that's easily moved from one location to another, but they're super sturdy. So you can see me shaking it, nothing's moving on it. I'll bring it up close so you can see it's a nice faux leather brown on the top. It's got some nice texture to it. It's a really nice, rich, warm brown. And then the legs are a black metal, which really goes nicely with pretty much all decor. It does have a footrest on it, so I'm going to go ahead and sit on it and just show you. I'll scooch this one underneath of my bar here. But as you can see, it's got a nice footrest on it, which is really nice and comfortable. I hate bar stools that don't have anywhere to put your feet, because then you're just kind of like dangling about. So it's nice that this has the footrest on it. The seat is nice and cushy and comfortable. It's really nice to sit on. It feels really, really nice and comfortable and easy to manage. And like I said, it goes really nicely, just like pushes under the bar. So you don't have to worry about it taking up a lot of space. So when guests come over, you can just pull it right out, have a seat, have a drink, have a bite to eat, and then when they're done, you can just push it right back underneath. This is really great for small spaces, just to leave your walkway nice and open and clear. And like I said, it really matches everything. So I think these are a really beautiful piece to have if you're looking for bar stools, and I'm really looking forward to making use of these in my own bar.
So quickly here, I wanted to show you how easy it was to put this together. There's up close the cushion top. As you can see, it's a really nice faux leather with a nice pattern there. And I'm just reading the directions. I've got everything laid out, ready to go. And I'm going to put these each together. So it's really very simple. It took me just some time to make sure I had everything facing the right way. And then, of course, I read the directions step by step and got it all together. So it was very simple. You can watch it here, and then I put the second one together. If you fast forward a little bit, there's a better angle where you can see kind of over my shoulder how to screw in all the pieces. So it's very simple and only took me anywhere, about 10 to 15 minutes to do both of them.